Last time on Brothers on the Run, the bros spent the day ripping up the Fernie bike park, and in the evening, cooled down in the frigid Elk River before calling it a day. 3 brothers, 4 provinces, 5,000 kilometers, 1 incredible country. We're on a quest for the trip of a lifetime. We won't stop until we're out of money. This is Brothers on the Run. Alright, so it's day 2 of Fernie. Kinda just woke up. We're just making breakfast now. But we slept pretty good last night. Like, we went to bed at like 10 and woke up at like 8:30. Oh, I felt so good. So we're gonna be packing up our gear and we're gonna be doing another day at bike park. Super hyped. It's gonna be a blast. We're gonna see if we can go on a bit of a hike today. At the end of the day, we'll see what that happens. We might get kicked off the hill if we do that, but we're gonna give it a go. So we packed up our gear, picked up our bikes, and headed straight to the resort. Nothing was slowing us down today. After riding most of the day, it was time for us to begin our trek up to Polar Peak. So I don't know if you can see the peak way up there, but there's a building up there. We're gonna be hiking all the way to the top of that and get some pretty epic views up there. Hopefully we can sneak up there because I don't think we're supposed to be up there, but we're gonna see how it goes. So we cruised over to the timber chair and started making our way up to the top. All right. Up timber we go. When we got to the top of timber, we realized we need to find somewhere to hide these bikes because there's no way we're carrying these things to the top of a mountain. So right now we're kind of just like stashing our bikes. Like mine is like right there. Docs is gonna be hiding his there. Trajan's is there. So we can't take the bikes up unfortunately. So we're gonna have to just hike it. That's gonna how it's gonna be, but it should be a dope view. So we're on our way up. Got quite a little hike ahead of us, but you can't exactly complain about that view. And it's gonna get even better once we get to the top. You can see it all the way up there. We gotta go past that. So we got a really long way to go. It's gonna be totally worth it once we get up there. It's gonna be insane. I can't wait. All right, so we're getting pretty close to the White Pass here, which is just up there. And we noticed something. Something we haven't seen in a couple months. I think over there is some snow, so we're gonna go check it out. Yeah, that's snow. It's snow, my dude. Nice. Snow. Frickin' snow in the middle of summer. We enjoyed our time messing around in the snow, but it was time for us to keep going. So the section we're on right now, it's kind of steep, but we'll make it. Alright, so we're just about at the top of White Pass. Not too much further. They're probably 5 minutes. But you can see the chairlift way over there. We've made it all the way up here in about 25 minutes. It's not too bad. We're doing well. All right, so we made it to the top of White Pass. That's the top just right there. Pretty epic view. You can kind of see that trail up there. All right, we're gonna go all the way up that. Still got a good ways ahead of us. Polar Peak is open, the lift, sweet!
One day we come here in the summer.
Yeah.
It says open.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah,
it's never open in the winter. All right, so we're about to initiate the final trek of this journey up to Polar Peak. Got a ways to go, but we'll get there soon enough.
Dual wheels.
Not too much further. This is tiring, there's no doubt about it. We're wearing body armor and flannels, but we're getting there. All right, so we're hiking up this and it's getting sketchy. We're all these tiny rocks. This is definitely getting a little sketch. We definitely have to be careful and not put my gloves on because we're gonna start crawling on all fours. They're just thinking it's almost gonna be better to actually like rock climb this than it is to just walk. Drayden stuck his helmet on. Probably a good decision. Almost there. It's crazy how freaking high I am above these guys. Like they're only about 50 feet back, but I'm like 30 feet above them. Crazy. That view is absolutely incredible. We feel alive. So we finally made it to the top of Polar Peak. Here's the chairlift right here. The view is incredible. So worth the hike, so worth the hike. The views at the peak were spectacular, but it was time for us to start making our way back. We had a long way to go. All right, so we're on our way back down Polar Peak. It's super sketchy, so we put our helmets back on. Bit of a hike back, probably take about 45 minutes. And then it'll be a nice ride down well after closing. This hill closed at 4:30. It's almost 6. All right, so we just finished up the worst of it. Should be pretty much easy from here. That stuff was pretty sketchy, super loose. That was an epic hike. That was so worth it. Oh, no complaints. All right, so we just arrived back at Timber Chair. Took us a little over 2 hours round trip. Oh, that was so cool. That was such an epic hike. All we had to do now was ride down Rumpelstiltskin to complete our top to bottom journey. So it was time to kick it up a notch. Man, today was a blast. It was so much fun. That hike was insane. All the riding was insane. That last run was definitely a little bit on the sketchy side. Definitely pushing your limits a little bit. But oh boy, I had fun. Especially that bottom section. So fast. Anyways, it's time for some après skiing. And then I think we're going to hit the sack early today. Got a pretty epic day tomorrow. Next time on Brothers on the Run, the bros are going downriver. They're going to wish they took more swimming lessons.